Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can access your video clips and video projects edit history, for example, to go back to previous or past edits and changes and to restore these if needed. So let us get started. Navigate to your video project on Shotcut, and all you need to do, guys, is simply click into your video clip here. And here too, let me find it here at the top. You will see that feature history. Click into it and it is going to show you that list of all changes and edits you have made for the given video project. So you can use that slider here to the right to move along your history of the video project, and at the bottom you will see the most recent action, like for example remove contrast filter, which I did for instance for a separate tutorial. So you can go through that list here and simply go back to the given change. So let me go, for example, to add contrast filter here. And there you go. If we now check these filters, there you go. As you can see, the contrast filter has been added. You can go back in time if you like and simply restore the given change or edit. So let me go with that one here, and there you go, or that one. And these changes and edits will be restored at the specific point in your history. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.